Hi guys, Nick Mower today with Mower Supply Company job for you. 2016 Kubota B3350 cab tractor. This is a 33 horsepower compact tractor that has cab heat air. The tractor is in very nice condition. There's all kinds of stories out there on these tractors. This tractor's had the complete revision done on it, or campaign it's called. The tractor works good. There's no issues with this tractor. Very good running working tractor. Here's the story behind this tractor. Man owned it. He bought another B3350, had his loader, his mower deck, and his tires put over onto a brand new tractor. So this tractor has brand new R4 tires, has a brand new LA 534 quick attach loader on it, and a brand new Kubota RC 72-30B 72-inch mower deck that has never been in the grass. You can see that. So it is equipped and set up that way. Brand new 60-inch skid steer quick attach bucket. The tractor has 925 hours, I think it is. We'll show you here in a minute. So, let's do you like we normally do here. Take you right up front of this tractor. I'm going to start it, run it, work it, show you everything it's supposed to do. Under the hood here, powered by a Kubota V1505 4-cylinder diesel engine. And again, this tractor's had the full campaign on it, they call it, from Kubota. Revisions of what it needed, and the tractor works great with no issues, okay? We've done a complete and full service. All filters and oils are changed. It even has a new battery put in it on 8/1/19. So, very clean tractor. It was a one-owner tractor. Tractor is in nice shape, as in it is straight, it is clean. On the hood, there's one or two little wee scratches, but there's no sheet metal damage. Inside the cab is extremely clean. Up front, brand new 60-inch bucket, skid steer quick attach. Front grill guard. LA 534 quick attach loader, which is brand new. And again, new 72-inch belly mower deck. Coming over to the back, I call these the Super B cabs. And you can see, I don't know why we left this on here. This is not going to go with it. That's mine. Anyhow, it does have the Easy Link for your 3-point hitch. 540 PTO, drawbar, top link, slow moving vehicle signs on it. Very nice, straight, full light package. It has the optional, it had the grid heater in the window and the rear wiper. That was all optional stuff. We'll head to that side. I'm going to go to this side. So, one thing I will say, B2650, 33s, 50s, these have a absolutely beautiful cab in them. 942 hours. They are very comfortable in the cab. You can see they have a nice suspension style seat with armrest package. This tractor is radio ready. It does not have a radio in it, but it is AM FM radio ready. High, low, and medium range. Diff lock, easy in and out. Tilt steering wheel, which is extremely nice on these tractors. You just push this little button right there, gives you your tilt wheel. Joystick control right here at your arm. Has a nice boomerang style pedal for your forward and reverse on the hydrostat. Just an absolute very nice, very easy to work tractor. Very comfortable to run. So, and in this cab, it's very quiet. You can mow, brush hog, do loader work, and you know you can hear yourself think. So, very nice, very nice cab. So, I'm gonna come around. I'm gonna start this tractor up. We're gonna run around, show you everything it's supposed to do. Thank you. Anybody that has a question on this tractor, please give us a call. Remember, it has a brand new loader on it, brand new belly mower deck, brand new R4 tires. Still to this day, I can't figure out the whole deal, why the guy did what he did. It cost him more money actually to do that. I think the guy was just a little stubborn and boneheaded in what he was doing, and you know, the dealer was more willing to do what he did because essentially he made out okay. So, and somebody else is going to make out really nice because you have a new loader, new belly mower, new tires, but essentially the rest of the tractor is a like new tractor. It really truthfully is. The biggest issue always was on these, guys would idle them around, it would trip the sensor for a burn, and long story short, if you run it, you use it, you work it, you'll never have a problem. And again, it has had the campaign. This tractor still has powertrain warranty until August of 2020, so this year still has powertrain warranty. So any questions, 814-658-3066. Please check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. See us on Tractor House, Machinery Trader, and on eBay at MarkSupply88. Again, this is a cab heat air loaded up tractor other than a radio, but it has a turn signal package, the grid heater in the back, which was an option, windshield wiper in the back, which was an option. Very nice loaded up tractor. It's 100% ready to go to work. We did do a full service on it, so all filters and oils are changed. It is ready to go. So if, again, any questions, 814-658-3066. As always, thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.